Hello, I'm Marla Stone, owner-operator of Ideal Lifestyle. We provide professional organizing services, decor, feng shui, and lifestyle coaching so you can get your space more organized and keep it that way. Before I became a professional organizer, I was a therapist social worker for 17 years, helping people to organize their lives. And when I became a professional organizer, I was able to create methods and theories that help you not only get organized, but remain organized long term. At Ideal Lifestyle, we organize everything from a small closet to an entire home or corporate office. We know how to create a system where everything is categorized and has a home, so you will have easy access to everything you own, and you will be able to keep it long term.
Hi, I'm Marianne. I'm an at-home mom and blogger from Southern California. We used to have this really messy garage. It was so bad and chaotic and unorganized, and it was really hard to park the car in the garage. My husband had to do yoga just to get out of the car. And then we called Ideal Lifestyle. And a crew of 3 people came over, they helped us get organized, and they helped me sort through everything. We categorized all of the items that we had in our garage. We were able to get rid of things that we didn't need anymore. Ideal Lifestyle helped me learn the differences between want and need. And now I'm able to make better decisions about the things I want to keep, which is going to help me in the long run to stay organized.
So give us a call and we'll do a free 30-minute phone consultation. Then we'll come out and do an assessment, get you organized so you'll have your ideal lifestyle today.